Shibiri was fired from SAPS. Why not arrested? And my thing is that basambeka umkhuso Shadrack Sibiya. I think they're still thinking about it. Because remember when SIU came to his house, he was just like, they must just fire me. My colleagues have turned on me. I was just like, bro, please, you're rogue. And they're just putting him aside. They're just like, okay, so we are busy with you. I think they're still investigating. Yes, that's about that guy. He has skeletons and secrets and scandals and crazy things, crazy information about him. I always said, I will never sit with that rogue criminal around the same table. I'm telling you, mark my words. Usazoboshwa nje kahle uShadrack Sibiya. Time will tell. People are being held accountable for the stuff that they've done. Oh, Shibiri, they can't believe it. It's just like Ngiyaphupha. But a dismissal letter, he actually got it on the 22nd. Or if and he's trying to go to CCMA. I wasn't going to go there at that age. What I was going to do, I was just going to take my money and run. Just simple as that. Mdala. Just move on. You are rogue. It's not going to change anything. Which money are you going to get to CCMA? You're not going to get anything. Just move on. Your situation is out there. Imadlanga exposed you. You are just a rogue father. Ubaba ongekho right, omdala. Just move on with your life. You know? And kakhulu, they citing that whole thing. He was busy with Vusumuzi Ket Matlala kakhulu. Oh, guys, Matlanga will show you flames. Literally. Idlala Matlanga. You ngabubakdala mne artwork, you know. And I used to think artwork is like the best. But you mazi why artwork waboshwa same day. Please tell me why. Brown Mukhotsi wathe phuma nejacket yakhe red and black. But he was a baba. Makudlala Matlanga. Look busy udlala. You think we're playing here? Not playing some childish game here. Commissioners there. You guys, with your intellect, like, bruh, ubawe. And you know, what's Naila, if it is top 3 years of abortion, put it this weekend. Colonel Kevin Jacobs, yeah, he's gonna call them, you guys, Eshama commissioners behind bars. Futhi, I even think that Richard Shibiri, they did him a favor, guys. I was gonna run, Then arrest, guys. It's much better, this one. Because you get to get your money, your pension fund, and leave and move on. So nicely and just travel. Forget about other things. Oh my gosh, like it's the same. Hey, how is it gonna help you? You'll never win. Mark my words.